I'm going to be using Tropez Express Bronzing Mousse, which is our award-winning formula. You can tan, shower and go in as little as 1 hour to achieve your lightest glow. Leave on for 2 hours for your medium glow, or up to 3 for your deepest, darkest glow. Before we start tanning, make sure you've got all your tanning essentials ready. A tan applicator mitt, preferably a clean one, a non-oil based moisturizer. If you haven't got a friend or partner to do your back, get a back scratcher. I will show you how to do your back yourself. Also, cleansing wipes are really, really important because we need to clean our nails. So make sure you've got all your kit ready and obviously your tan, and then we're going to be ready to go. Firstly, we need to prep our skin. We want clean skin that is free from any perfumes, any deodorants, any old self-tan, hence why I am looking so pale. I've used the Tropez body polisher. If you haven't got this exfoliator to use, just use something that hasn't got an oil base to it. There's something that doesn't leave residue behind. If you've just waxed your legs, I would wait 24 hours just for the hair pores to settle. So exfoliate, get your skin clean, get all your products off, and then we're going to be ready to put the tan on. Always work with a 2-pump curling rule. So give your mousse a little shake. Got my clean tan applicator mitt, 2 pumps. So it's a lightweight, airy mousse. And that is not the colour we're going to go, that is just a tan tracker. So I'm going to do my lower leg, stop at the knee. And all you do, it's a flat hand, a light stroke, but you can see instantly I've got tan skin, which my legs are desperate for. And then when we do the knee, just skim over, keeping the moisturiser in place. I use 2 pumps to the top of my thigh, 2 pumps around the back of my thigh and my bum, and I stopped at the ankle. Next, we're going to do the feet. Now you can see the difference with my legs. That will deepen though as the hours go on. So I've stopped at the ankle. Take the excess that's on your mitt. If you feel you haven't got any tan left on the mitt, just take a little pea-sized pump. And what you're going to do is fade up, making sure you do the sides of the feet, matching up the back of the heel. The feet don't need to look that dark because they develop really, really fast. So this bit is really important. Take a cleansing wipe, a wet wipe, a baby wipe, and wipe all the nails and the cuticles, just because self-tan can stain nails yellow. And my top tip for flawless feet, get your moisturiser after you've tanned your feet. Take about a quarter-sized amount and just blend it up the back of the heel, and that will guarantee the feet will develop flawlessly. So there won't be any signs that you're wearing self-tan. It will look totally natural. Now once we've got both legs and both feet done, we're going to work the upper body. So you're going to take 2 pumps for your tummy, 2 pumps for your décolletage, and literally you do just flat hand light stroke. You can see exactly where you're applying it, and if you can go up to the neck, you just smooth it on. You never have to over rub. You should always have enough product so you can just glide it on. The built-in instant turn, the built-in bronzer, will adapt to suit your own pigmentation. So you get this gorgeous instant colour immediately, which I may add dries instantly, so you never feel sticky. It won't transfer onto anything. If you do get it on clothing, it will rinse out with soap and water. It's that easy. Using the excess or a pea-sized amount, stretch your hand. You can also claw your hands just to make sure all the tan gets in the creases. So the sides, they go down each finger. It's got it really nice and faded and blended. Cleanse off any self-tan from the nails and cuticles. Now once we finish tanning hands, this bit makes the tan awesome. Take your moisturiser, take a tiny little pea-sized amount, and what I want you to do is just fade the moisturiser up the crease from the palm, up the crease in the wrist. That'll make it seamless. If nobody's home to do your back, I will show you how you do it yourself. You'll find with the double-sided mitt, you can put tan on the back of your hand and literally just bend round, and you'll get one side done, swap hands, you'll get the other side done. There might be a bit right in the middle that is quite hard to reach. So what you're going to do, take a back scratcher, just make sure you can just get to every single part of your back. How to tan your face. Now I have taken off all my foundation, all my powder. If you haven't got a separate self-tanner for the face, you can use your bronzing mousse on the face. However, it may develop a little bit darker than the skin on your body, just because your pH balance is a little bit higher here. So put your normal moisturiser on, put your eye serums on, and use my mitt as my paint palette. Take an old foundation brush. You don't want it too soft, but you also don't want it too hard. Have it on here, and then you'll see Painting on with a brush is brilliant because you can get to every little corner. I can go right up to my hairline without getting it in my hair. And that is done. And I can rinse my face when I take my shower, which could either be in 1 hour if I want my tan to end up light, 2 hours for medium, 3 hours for nice deep and dark. I would advise those of us who've got fairer skin like myself, you will get a more natural, perfect colour if you rinse it off within 3 hours. Don't use any shower gels, anything like that. And if by accident you did get tan in really fair eyebrows, just wipe it out with a Q-tip. If your hair is bleached to the root, you may want to put a little bit of moisturiser. To clean your tan applicator mitt, take it in the shower with you and then rinse it through with water and a little bit of shower gel. And then you can pop it on top of your mousse and air dry it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found all my tanning tips really useful. Love your Express Bronzing Mousse Glow. Take care. Bye everybody. Bye.